Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm so happy to be able to do these videos for you to help you grow in your relationships and in your life. And I wanted to do a video to help all of you who are in relationships to empower your significant other. In relationships, you have to be able to empower your significant other to grow. Otherwise, it will create an imbalance. And I wanted to provide you with tips, tools, and guidance on what to do to make your partner feel secured and to make your partner feel like they can accomplish anything. And I want to talk about the masculine and the feminine energies. Whether you're in a long-term relationship, whether you are just a young college kid, or whether you're in a same-sex relationship, for that matter, your relationship has to deal with masculine and feminine energies. The masculine and feminine energies inside of you, and the masculine and the feminine energies inside of your partner. And the one big tip that I can share with you is that the feminine energy grows through praise, through positive words of affirmation, and through genuine compliments. So if you want to be able to make your wife or your girlfriend feel secure and loved, you have to make sure that you focus on giving them praise on a regular basis. Of course, this cannot be fake compliments or flattery. It needs to be genuine, honest compliments where you reinforce positive things that they do. If your wife goes out of her way to be really kind or sweet to your child, take that opportunity to point it out and to voice how thankful you are. If your wife is a superhero because she's able to balance out household chores and the education of the kids and her own career, and you are genuinely in awe of how she's able to do all of those things, tell her. It will cost you very little, and it'll make her feel truly loved and empowered to do more. And oftentimes it just comes down to reminding yourself to compliment her or to tell her the beauty in what she does and how she's going about doing her everyday things. The more you give genuine compliments, praise, positive words of affirmation, the more the female energy will grow. The more your partner will feel empowered to take over the world and to do more, and the more your relationship will flourish. On the other hand, if you want to empower the men, the masculine energies in your relationship, I encourage you to understand the fact that men grow through challenges. Men grow through living out their purpose. Men grow through feeling like they are needed, that they are there to support and to help a cause, whether it's the family unit, whether it's being there to support and nurture their wife and kids, or in living out their life's mission and purpose, the reason for why they were put on this earth for. And a lot of the times, a man grows through professional success. When a man is doing well in his career, you can see confidence boost, and you can see that as a result, a lot of times they will start to have confidence in other aspects of their lives, and also in love and in parenting and in social activities or social circles and hobbies and all of those other elements that are just as important as the professional success. And so this video was mainly to remind you that it is important to empower your partner. It's important to make your partner feel safe, valued, and cherished, and that you recognize the beauty in them. And for the feminine energies, a lot of times, it can be done through positive words of affirmation, praise, and gratitude. And for the masculine energies, it's enabling the man or that masculine energy to flourish, to find its purpose, to lead, and to ultimately be able to accomplish that life's purpose. This video is very important because it can enable you to at least understand the things that you can do to make your partner feel valued and secured. And I hope that it will help you today in your day-to-day, but also for the rest of your life, because this process never ends. You always have to continue to make your wife feel valued and cherished. And you always have to give that masculine energy space to grow and to push themselves and to grow through challenges and adversity. And if this is something that you've witnessed, if this is something that you see in the day-to-day, if you have seen your husband respond well to challenges, or if you have seen your girlfriend respond well to praise and to genuine compliments, share that with us in the comment section of this video. Share what you have done successfully and that others can do as well to grow and to enable their relationship to flourish. We are Love Advice TV. We are here to help empower you in your relationships and to find the type of love that you've always wanted to have. And that's why we do these videos. If you've enjoyed it, if you've learned something from this video, give me a thumbs up and fuel my fire so that I can do more videos for you. And as always, my friends, keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon on Love Advice TV for another video. Take good care. See you soon.